Well, welcome to my podcast, videocast, whatever you want to call this. And I am creating a series of videos of showcasing AI. And the reason I'm doing this is because I used to work for companies like or contract or work for companies like Fortune 500 companies, big companies, and then headhunters used to contact me, every month or so, offering me jobs and wanted to interview me and offer me jobs. So it's not happening. I mean, it's not bad right now. I am doing freelancing, but definitely, if headhunters want to uh, contact me, offer me some project, that would be, icing on a cake. So today I am going to, uh, kind of briefly mention the most valuable professional in the AI era is the AI augmented expert, like yourself, like myself, who synergizes human judgment with artificial intelligence. This is no brainer. Everybody uses AI nowadays. This individual doesn't just use AI but masterfully directs it, applying their own irreplaceable experience, problem solving skills, and ethical reasoning to interpret, refine, and act upon the AI's output. Conversely, professionals who resist using AI will inevitably be left behind not because their skills are obsolete, but because they are forfeiting a massive competitive advantage in speed and scale. Ultimately, the goal is not a contest between human and machine, but a powerful partnership where AI handles computational brute force, freeing up humans to focus on strategic leadership, creative innovation, and the nuanced decision making that defines true expertise. So, here I am sharing you the prompt. So, prompt engineering is really valuable in the era of AI. About 2 years ago, I wrote a book called Prompt Engineering. It's available on Amazon. You can go check it out. If you ask me, I'll also share the link. So, prompt engineering, there are prompt engineering in a technical side and non technical side. So, what I'm sharing today is a little bit of a non technical side, but anybody can use this. So, I created this prompt. So, and with the same prompt, I went to different AI platform and asked them to build something. So with this prompt, they're supposed to build a website. So I went to ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, Gemini, Kimi, Ninja Code, Quen, uh, LLMs to build websites. So I'm going to share what they built. So let's go to the GitHub and then see. Come on, there we go. See what they built. Okay, so start. There are six repository: one Claude, Quen, Ninja, Kimi, DeepSeek, and Gemini. So start with the Claude. That's on the top. So this is built by Claude. This is in a GitHub. It's a great place for a software developer uh, to come in and then build projects. So this is built by AI Technology, Apollo Technologies website, built by Claude. So this looks pretty good. I heard I heard on a TikTok that Claude Code is one of the best. So I know TikTok. You get a lot of information. Sometimes you get good information. Well, it depends on what you watch. I watch informative information, uh, and then so the algorithm gives me all the knowledge and information regarding what I watch. So this kind of moves right here. It's moving the what do you call this? Logo right here. I don't know if it's a duplicate of that, but or new design. I don't know. I have to look into that. This kind of I have to look into this. I have reviewed this one if this is good, but other than that, it's like a really good website. let's check the others and make sure I have time. Hmm. Yeah, so I have time to do that. And then Gemini. Okay, so we did that. Let's check the Quen, how the Quen did it. And I have 30 minutes limitation on this video. So, and I have another task I have to do at 9 o'clock. So this is the, yeah, this missed the logo, but this is a very simple fix and did a good job, except this contact is overlaid under the solution. So that's a tiny mistake, but that's easily fixed. A developer can easily, or myself, I can fix that easily. Uh, so my background is developer. I have developing experience. I love coding. That's my hobby is coding nowadays. I code because I love the synergy with the AI to code. Uh, so let's check at the Quen. Or did we already check the Quen? Oh, I think we already checked the Quen. And this is moving slowly. And then Ninja, Quen and Ninja. Let's do the Ninja. Let's see the Ninja, how Ninja do it. Yeah, I think I'm not gonna go through all of it, but I'm just gonna share a few of those. Uh, so Ninja did a good job too. Well, this is again that's a tiny mistake, but that can be fixed. Just have to shift this whole column to this side right here. Uh, but with the prompt, they should have done that. I don't know why you didn't do that. That's the efficiency of the LLM. So the other good one is DeepSeek. Let's see how DeepSeek do it. And then I didn't even use the Chat GPT because they didn't offer me place. They just you know they just gave me like a generic code. I think they want me to paid use their paid version. I'm not using their paid version yet, but I will eventually do get their paid version. So with the unpaid version, they didn't give me like a good code. Uh, let's see. Let's try again. See how I got to log in to do that. Well, I don't know if I have time. Well, let's do that next time. Uh, so let's see how this is DeepSeek. So I like that right there. They put the logo. It's clean, and then the contact is not labeled. So this is this. The cleanest one is the DeepSeek among all. But I'm not going to test all of it today. Um, so this is the GitHub. I'm sure you already know this great repository. In this repository, this is I am Apollo Technologies, Apollo at 2022. I have 11 and 6, 17. Well, no, 7 and 6, 13 repositories. Here you can come check it out. There are lots of information. I use HTML, CSS, uh, HTML, CSS, React, TypeScript, uh, JavaScript, many coding language. I also want to show you this before I hang up. Uh, this is another platform, another website built by the this. I think this was built by the DeepSeek for this and stuck here. Oh yeah, tonight I'm gonna watch Purple Rain. My Somebody recommended this movie. I watched this a long time ago. Uh, they are participating in the song festival for the this Purple Rain movie. So they recommended to watch that. So I'm gonna watch that. So yeah, this is the other built by DeepSeek. This is wonderful, wonderful website it created with the latest modern. It even has a map. So that's all I'm going to do today. So this is the prompt. We talked about prompt engineering, coding, website uh, development using GitHub, different website language. So that's all for now. Reach out to me. My name is Robin Pandey. See you next time.